song, The Call of the Good. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hit the Goodwill up a couple days ago and I found a couple things I'm going to show you guys today. Pretty excited. So for those of you that don't know me, I live in a very rural area. We are 45 minutes away from the nearest mall, and it's not like a mall. I mean, it's a mall. I'm sorry. It's not a high-end mall. It's your standard issue rural South mall. We are about 2.5 hours from Nashville. So that would be like the nearest high-end shopping center. Cool Springs, Galleria, or I've forgotten the name. Green Hills. There we go. Green Hills has got some really nice stores. All that to say, Anthropologie, Free People, Urban Outfitters, all that kind of stuff, we don't have it around here. So when I go thrifting, I have 0% chance of finding any of those brands. Those brands are really hot in the resale market because everybody wants them right now. So I'm going to insert a video right here.
She was cool before, but now I know.
I am super stoked because I just found my first Anthropologie item.
I mean, yeah. I don't want to just because of this, but
I haven't inspected it to see if it's in good shape, but I saw the tag. I was like, yeah.
You're laughing already. I'm scared.
Yeah, that's me getting really excited at the Goodwill because I think I have found my first Anthropologie brand. Alright, so I'm going to put that video clip in where I thought I'd found an Anthropologie brand, but pretty sure I was wrong through a little bit more research because the RN numbers don't match. I'm going to dig into it some more. But I was excited that I finally found me personally a pair of pants, and I found Jeremy a pair of pants. So I'll go through everything and show you what all I bought later, and then I will get most of it on Poshmark soon. So here's the item in question. Intro. I was thinking I had seen this listed on Poshmark as an Anthropologie brand. By the way, I'm Doodle Turtle on Poshmark, and I will link my closet below, and if you use my closet name, I think you get $5 off your first order, and I think I get a $5 bonus. So, Doodle Turtle. Anywho, I found this dress. It's got these pretty lace sleeves. And, you know, it's really cute. And I was really excited because I was like, why is this Anthropologie brand here in my little Goodwill? And I looked up some comps when I was in the store. And, yeah, Intro is listed as Anthropologie on a lot of people's listings. So I did a little more research, and Anthropologie clothes have a certain RN number. The RN number didn't match, so then I went to Anthropologie's site, and Intro is not listed as one of their brands. So I'm like, I think I'm mistaken, and I think all these people that are listing it on Facebook or on Poshmark are mistaken. So then I asked in a Poshmark group that I'm a part of, hey, is Intro Anthro? And the answer is, it's not. Now, apparently it's a boutique brand, and we have got some really great boutiques in my town. So I'm sure that somebody got it from one of them, and it's a well-loved piece, and it's adorable, and it's the cutest dress ever. Still going to post it online. In fact, it's already online. But I was a little sad to discover it's not Anthropologie. Again, my closet link is below. If you like it, it can be yours for a good price because it's not Anthropologie. Okay, this item looks like something that I would have in my own closet. It is not anything fancy brand-wise, but it is this new with tags tunic. So it's got these really pretty ruched sleeves. And this really pretty design at the bottom. And I just think it's super cute with leggings or jeans. You could use it as a swim cover-up. This is the back. I think you can even get away with wearing it right now. It's winter right now. But, you know, if you put a pair of skinny jeans on with it and then layered a really pretty cardigan over it, it would be really cute. It is for sale in my closet. Found another pretty piece. Hang on. Who loves Michael Kors? Yes. This is a really fun top. It is a faux wrap with the zipper detail, with this really cool geometric print, long sleeve, new with tags, and $89.50. $89.50. So I really like this. Kind of like with everything that I buy, I try to buy things that I like, so if it doesn't get sold and I get to keep it. I have to keep it. Doesn't hurt my feelings. This shirt is so sweet. I think I picked it up because I have a friend that likes owls. So when I see owls, I think of her. It is a really cute LC Lauren Conrad owl top. It's just so sweet. It has these bow sleeves. And they're 3/4 length sleeves. This pretty little detailing. Cute little keyhole back with the button. It's just in great shape. I mean, it looks like it's barely been worn. I just thought this was pretty. And somebody out there that loves owls is gonna love it. Okay, 2 more things. These aren't maybe as exciting, but needed. They're personal items. That sounded weird. They're items I'm going to keep for my personal use. I don't know that sounded any better. Hang on. Okay. So I know corduroy is maybe not in style anymore, but I've always had a thing for corduroy, and I've been needing a new pair of casual pants. So I was tickled to find these J. Crew pants at the Goodwill in my size. They are a straight leg boot. Well, they're more boot cut. I don't know why I said straight leg. They're a boot cut, which I know is not the trendiest trend right now. But I frequently wear boots, so boot cut works. So I did buy these for myself. They were half off, and what cracks me up, y'all, they're from fall 2011. Because if you look at the tag, it says fall 2011, basically. That's showing my age that I'm excited over a pair of corduroy pants from fall 2011. Meh, it is what it is. Ow, mother! I just hit my funny bone. Ow. Life is dangerous. Alright, the last order of business. My husband has been wanting some new pants, either like new jeans that are good, so that some of his good jeans can become work jeans, or he just needs some more work jeans. And there's never any jeans in his size. He wears a 34. Never. Never, never. I think that's like the most popular man size in America. Finally found him some flippin' pants. These were at the Goodwill. They are lucky. They are actually like a really nice pair of pants. They're a nice blue. And they're not beat up. They fit him. He, I guess, has never had a pair of lucky jeans before, because he really enjoyed this. might have made one or two comments, you know, directed at me, pants, but yeah, we're married, so it's okay. These were not on sale, but I was a-okay with paying $4.99 for a pair of lucky pants. So, yeah, that's my thrift haul from last week. Tomorrow is 99-cent day. I don't really need to go back, but you know, you hear the siren song, the call of the Goodwill. So I may go back. Y'all may get another thrifting video. I don't know. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my finds. Everything, except the last two things, are for sale in my Poshmark closet. I am Doodle Turtle. I put things on there once a week. And if you like this video, I would like it if you gave me a thumbs up. And it would make me super happy if you would subscribe. I'm all about everything life improvement. So you really never know what you're going to get. Kind of whatever floats my boat. So have a great day, guys. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.